There. What to do, my people? So I know a lot of y'all come to the page, y'all subscribed on this channel for shoe reviews and stuff. So it's been a while since I dropped any kicks. So gotta do that. First, let me show y'all. I got other passions and other talents other than, well, I can't say shoe reviewing and stuff as a talent or whatever, but other things I'm interested in and stuff. I just wanted to show this off. Like, did that late last night and stuff, so it will be on the wall. So just wanted to show that off. Well, I know a lot of y'all have seen these Travis Scott ones repeatedly, so you won't see them on this channel. Shit, I ain't got no Travis Scott ones, but go through this, see what picked up from eBay. Me, I'm always hunting a deal, so came up on something. Hopefully they're in good condition. So that is the only thing I'm worried about is fingers crossed, good condition. That's all I want. So this right here is not just one pair of shoes. So came through with double. The seller there had a lot of stuff, so I put a lot on my watch list, and so end up winning these. So this right here is the Westbrook class of 2006s. So I caught these, I think like $39 with $14 ship. So that's what in the toe cap, the toe right there and right there. I'm gonna have to do something. I'm gonna have to clean that. They got like some little dirt and stuff. Nothing major. So this right here is gonna be like an overview or whatever. But I'm gonna do individual reviews and stuff. Not necessarily a review. I guess I'm gonna show them and then do like an on foot. But just to have it archived on the channel or whatever. But I'm gonna clean these. I'm gonna put some Jason marks on there and stuff. You know, get that. One thing I think they should have did with this shoe, instead of, I know this is Jordan 10s and whatever. What they should have did is like Russell Westbrook. He been in the league what about 10 years? What they should have did, they should have put Russell Westbrook achievements on here. That's what they should have did. They should have been like triple double this year, triple double this year, triple double this year, league MVP, so and so, a rookie, first team. They should have did things like that and switched it up a little bit. That's what I think they should have did with these. Like the color spectrum, people don't like these shoes. People hated these. They like outlet bound and stuff, and rightfully so. I wouldn't pay $200 for these, but paying like $40 something for these, shit, 40, 50, still. Me, in my eyes, like these are Russell Westbrooks and stuff, but with Jordan, Russell Westbrook / whatever. In my mind, like, to me, they look like, I think of these like it's Kendrick Lamar's or whatever, because I remember when he made them shoes, and I think like Blood Crip, even though Westbrook is from the West Coast and stuff. And these right here, these are some grails, man. I got my fingers crossed on these, man. I hope they are, number one, I hope they're in good shape. Number two, I hope they are authentic. But I wound up catching these. This is a grail. I wanted these since I was this big, because I'm only this big right now, so I was this big. So I wanted these for that long. And please, I just hope they are authentic and stuff. One thing that looks shady on them, I ain't gonna lie. That toe cap, it didn't have too much tumble on the picture. So I'm hoping. Let me see in person. So these Jordan 13s, and I wanted these for the longest time. Let me see. The tongue and stuff. See that tongue got some length on it because UA 13s, they be about like that. The tongue don't have too much extension to it. Let me see. Got the 13 behind the tab. Got the 13 behind the tab and stuff. 16, 17 the year. Let me see what hologram. See if you can see the hologram. Hologrammage. Yeah, the hologram is pretty deep. They looking authentic to me. They looking authentic. Like the toe cap, it don't look super tumbled. It look kind of smoothish. That's the only thing that looks kind of fugazi. It's just that tumble on the toe just don't seem like too much. But other than that, everything looking good and stuff. So I'ma just these not too bad. It's just maybe the suede looks like kind of old or whatever. I'm gonna put some Jason Marks on these as well. So I'm gonna do 2 projects today. So cleaning these, I don't really need to do. They got like a little creasage right there, but it's not nothing major that I'm gonna have to do on these. I'm gonna put some paper or something in here just to try to give them a little form. Do that in both of them. Those, I might hit the iron on those. I'm not sure, but we'll see. But the John 13s, breads, $29, 14 ship. Class of 2006. And I both for like total was like $90-something. Then I had sold some hats on eBay for $30, so I just used that money on them. So it turned out to be like $60-something that I came out of pocket on both of these. So, shit. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. Gonna try to do individual videos with these. I let your boy. He's out.